Mr. Michael, please bring me some coffee.
Please, here is your coffee, sir. Please, it was a mistake. I have a family to feed. Give me a second chance.
I don't want to see you anymore. Please leave my company.
Mom, what is happening? These past few days we have only had a little bread to eat.
Your father is going through a difficult time. Right now, he does not have enough money.
Take it, Dad. I give it to you. I am not hungry.
Thank you, Mia. Eat your bread.
I am not hungry at all.
Come, Mia. We are going to leave. I cannot live like this anymore.
No, I want to stay with my brother. Liam! Liam! Come and help me!
What? Is that Mia's voice?
Liam! Help me! I want to stay with Liam.
Why is Mom leaving Dad and me? Is it because Dad has no money anymore?
Dad, things must change now. I understand you, Dad, but we must not give up. Mom left us, but you and I will become stronger, okay?
You are right, Liam. Thank you. I must fight and do my best.
Hello, Mom.
Good morning. Welcome. Please come and sit down, and you will tell me what happened.
Put the tray a little more to the left, Liam.
Okay, Dad. It is good bread we baked.
Please buy our fresh bread, please! It is the most delicious bread. Come and buy it. Come and buy it.
Come and buy it! Please, it is the most delicious bread.
Why are you not eating, Mia?
I don't want to eat without my brother.
It was too hard for me, Mom.
Beatrice, my daughter, you left your family, but you forgot that a family must help each other in difficult times. Even little Mia shows compassion and refuses to eat without her brother.
You are right, Mom. I only thought about myself.
No one wants to buy our bread, Dad.
Don't worry. Let's be patient.
You are vulnerable alone, but together with them, you can shine again. Together, we can do great things.
I am sorry, Mom.
If this family's story is touching your heart, subscribe so you never miss what happens next.
Hey, Mr. Baker, please come here. Huh? Are they calling us?
Your bread is not bad. Take my business card, but I need 4 people because the order must be finished in 1 hour. That is my condition.
We are only 2. What are we gonna do?
We missed this chance because of this condition.
Miss you so much.
Laughter. The family together again.
I am really sorry. I am ashamed of what I did.
Don't worry, Beatrice. We need you.
Really?
1, 2, 3, 4. Great! You can start.
Together, the family worked as one, faster and better than they ever had before.
Wow, it is delicious. You are really professionals. Congratulations on your work. I will call you again soon. Thank you!
Thank you!
Laughter filled the air. The family was whole again.
Mia finally had her brother back, the one she refused to eat without.
Liam, Mia, do not forget. Together, we can do great things.
They had lost everything. But together, they found something greater.
Family is not about perfect people. It's about people who never give up on each other. Do you agree? Comment yes below.